With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, differentiate between the following with suitable examples. So we are given with the three terms. The first difference is between mineral and ore. So we have to talk about mineral and ore. So firstly, if we talk about minerals, so these are the naturally occurring substances of the metals that are present in our Earth's crust. So of the metals that are present in the Earth's crust. So this was about the mineral. So now if we talk about ore, so ore, these are the minerals that can be used to obtain the metals that are profitably. So that are profitable metals. So the minerals that we use to obtain such metals, so these minerals are known as ore. So such minerals are known as ore. So now if we talk about the examples of mineral and ore, so the example of mineral, it is our clay. Clay, it is the natural mineral of aluminium. It is the mineral of aluminium. Now if we talk about ore, bauxite and cryolite, these are the ores of the aluminium. So clay is the mineral of aluminium, whereas bauxite and cryolite are the ores of the aluminium. So now if we talk about second difference, it was about corrosion and rancidity. So between the corrosion and rancidity. So if we talk about corrosion, the tarnishing of the metals that takes place by the moisture attack. So this is basically the tarnishing of the metals that takes place by the attack of moisture. So by moisture and the acids that are present in our air. So and by the acids of air as well. So such condition of metal, it is known as corrosion. So now if we talk about rancidity, it is the condition when the fats and oils that are present in our food, it gets oxidized. So that are present in our gets oxidized and it ultimately leads to the change in the smell and taste of the food. So such condition is known as rancidity. So now if we come to the examples, so the example of corrosion is basically the rusting of iron. It is the rusting of iron. And the example of rancidity is the, if potato chips, they are kept in nitrogen gas. If the potato chips, they are kept in the nitrogen gas, so the condition will come out to be rancidity. So third difference, it is between malleability and ductility. So now if we talk about malleability and ductility, malleability, it is basically the property of metals. It is the property of metals that allows them to be hammered into thin sheets. So property of metals that allowed them to be converted into thin sheets. So that allowed them to hammered into thin sheets. So this specific property of metals, it is known as malleability. Now if we talk about ductility, it is the property which allows the metal to be drawn into, it is also a property of metals that allows the metal to be drawn into thin wires, that allows them to be drawn into thin wires. So this was about malleability and ductility. So now if we come to the examples, example of malleability is gold and silver. So gold and silver are the metals that best explain the malleability. And now if we talk about ductility, it is best shown by gold also. So it is also shown by gold. So this was about the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.